Alright, so let's do a quick assessment of the kitchen. So we've got wall tiles, lots of marks. They are a bit greasy, but they're not too bad. Hob got burn marks that need to come off. Also is greasy around the dials. All the kitchen units on top and on the bottom need to be fully degreased. They're not bad on this side, but where the sink was, they are a bit different story. As you can see, we've got lots of grease on the corners and to the internal side of the panels. That's the place when the wash machine was. It's not too bad, but the place for the washing machine is a bit tatty, as you can see, especially on the skirtings on the back and the socket. That need to be sorted to make sure it looks nice for the sales purposes. We've got the sliding shelves. As you can see on the video, they're not nice. Same as the drawers. They all completely greasy. All the units need to be fully degreased and clean on the side. Same on this side. This side is actually not too bad. We've got the oven. Luckily for us, the oven have got mat on the bottom and self-clean sides, so it's not that bad as it looks like. So all the units need to be degreased: worktop, wall tiles, units on top, oven, then sink, window, and completely full floor clean as well. So that's actually the tasks for the kitchen. So let's crack on that. got in here. This is what's come of this property. I don't know if you can see, but this is literally some kind of worms, some kind of dirt, stains, all sorts of different crap. Okay, the kitchen is actually ready. So this is the final product. I don't know if you can see, but everything is absolutely nice and shiny. All the tiles, all the worktops, all the kitchen units on the wall are fully degreased, without any kind of marks, splashes. Same the bottom units. Oven is beautifully done as well. All the floors are steam cleaned. So this property, and especially this kitchen, is going to be ready for sale. So when the new buyer is gonna walk in, they're gonna love it, because there's no such a like food smell. This kitchen smells after the steaming like literally brand new. Unfortunately, that is nothing what I can do about that. So here you are. The next step is going to be a bathroom, and when the bathroom is done, let me show you. This is going to be the biggest challenge to do so. So let's move to the bathroom, let's wrap up the rooms, and tomorrow morning I will try to fix those carpets to make sure they look as they should. See you later.